So we went to the shop and we got our first power tool. It's an angle grinder. And the size discs that for it is 4.5 inches. And it cost $15 at Harbor Freight. And we got discs. This disc is a grinding wheel. This disc is a cutting off wheel. And lastly but not least, this disc is a flat disc. And right now, we're gonna put this angle grinder together and we're gonna cut some metal. So first, you get this handle, you see this hole or this hole. So we're going to put it into this one and then screw it in.
Because we're cutting off, I'm going to move these discs out of our way and just use our cut-off discs. Good job, Ethan. Actually, we're going to put that on the other side. There's two sides to put it on. It's okay.
I know, I showed them that.
We're going to put it on our left hand.
Okay.
So we can use our right hand to stabilize it. We've never used an angle grinder. This is a brand new process for us. So bear with us. We will probably suck at this just like we suck at everything that we first try. But as we've said already on this channel quite a few times, practice makes perfect. So make sure this is in flat. It can kind of come up a bit, and then make sure it's solidly in there. Then oops. Extend that down. Get it on there real good. It's got some wiggle in it. What if I put that on wrong? Alright, I'm going to try this the other way around, see if it holds it better. Oh yeah, much better. Alright, so those are directional, good to know. Alright, we're in tight. So to turn it on, push down, you push forward, it's just one speed. I'm sure nicer ones have more speeds, I didn't even check. But then you push down here to turn it off. So let's give it our first go. Boy, it's stuck pretty good. There we go. That is the very first time I've turned on an angle grinder, and it seems smooth. Seems good. We're gonna get our steel measured up, and then we'll start cutting. Today we're measuring steel for an upcoming S-hook video. Not exactly sure when we're going to do that, but at least we're gonna get it going. So Ethan, if you want to come over, start measuring.
7, right?
We're going to go, yes, 7 inches for the first couple. Where did I just put it? There we go. So I'll hold that. You mark 7. Make sure it goes straight. Alright, so here's our first cut. I'm going to wait till Ethan's got his glasses on. Push down, push forward. I want those sparks to slide down, not up. So it should have been here. Well, it's not exactly clean, but that's our first angle grinder cut. Ethan's having a little panic attack over there.
Good. One hit me.
The spark hit you? Are you alive? A little bit better.
Well, file off the.
Yeah, we'll definitely file them off, but not bad.
One more.
About even. Does Ethan want to try this thing out?
Yeah.
Ethan does not want to try this toy out. He's a little bit afraid of it. So we'll hit this last piece.
Taking damage.
Gotta watch those sparks coming up and hitting you in the arm and get a little bit warm. But alright, that's our first use of the angle grinder. Got ourselves three, ooh, it gets warm by the way. 3 7-inch pieces of mild steel, 1/4 inch, and that'll
It
get
smells
us going.
so bad. Oh.